Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Vortex Dual Basket Air Fryer. Let's unbox it and make sure you've received everything you need to start creating delicious meals. You'll notice upon opening information about how to get started on the inside flap of the box. Next, you'll find recipes, a quick start guide, and your owner's manual. You'll also find the U-channel connector. To remove the unit, gently lay the box flat on its side and carefully shimmy the unit out. Remove all plastic and tape. Check the styrofoam protectors on each side for accessories before discarding. Also, check the box for any remaining accessories. In this small box, you will find 2 fry trays and 2 basket dividers. And of course, the unit comes with 2 baskets. If you are missing any items, make sure to check all packing materials one last time, and then either visit our website or call customer service at 973-287-5176. If you have all of these parts, you are ready to get started with your PowerXL Vortex Dual Basket Air Fryer.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.